Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss another function f of z equal to sin hz is analytic, and we have to find out its derivative. We should know the results are cos ix equal to cos hx, then sin ix equal to I sin hx, then d by dx of sin hx is equal to cos hx, d by dx of cos hx is equal to sin hx, 1 by I is equal to minus sin, I square is equal to minus 1. And the Cauchy Riemann equation ux equal to vy, uy equal to minus bx. Based on this result, we can easily show that f is equal to sin hz is analytic, and we can find its derivative. Then we can work out the problem. Answer. F of z is equal to sin hz. Sin hz. We know that sin ix equal to I sin hx. Therefore, sin hx is equal to 1 by I sin ix. Here, 1 by I sin iz. Instead of x, we put it as z. This is equal to 1 by I. We know that minus I. 1 by I is equal to minus I. Then sin iz. Sin iz can be taken as sin I into x plus iy. Minus I into sin I into x plus iy. That is minus I into sin ix, I into I square, or minus y. Therefore, minus I into sin ix minus y. This is equal to minus I into sin a minus b. The proof sin a minus b, trigonometric identity, sin a minus b is equal to sin ix cos y minus cos ix sin y. Trigonometry formula sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Therefore, sin ix cos y minus cos ix sin y. Then removing the bracket, minus I into sin ix can be taken as sin ix is equal to I sin hx into cos y minus cos ix is equal to cos hx sin y. Cos hx in sin y. Then removing the bracket, I into I square. I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus into minus plus. Therefore, sin hx cos y. Then minus into minus plus. I into cos hx sin y. Therefore, f of z is equal to sin hx cos y plus I into cos hx sin y. Then, here real part is, when we can choose the real part. Real part, u is equal to sin hx cos y. This is equation 1. And the real part, imaginary part, v is equal to cos hx sin y. This is equation 2. Then we can take the partial derivative. First, we differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. When we partially differentiate with respect to x, cos y is constant. Therefore, sin hx is equal to cos hx into cos y. Again, we differentiate partially with respect to y. When we partially differentiate with respect to y, sin hx treated as constant. Sin hx into cos y minus sin y. Similarly, vx, we differentiate equation 2 with respect to x partially, then cos hx is equal to sin hx. Sin y itself. Then vy, partially differentiated with respect to y, cos hx itself. Cos hx into sin y is equal to cos y. Therefore, partial differentiation part is over. Then we can take the first Cauchy Riemann equation. Ux is equal to vy. Here ux is equal to cos hx cos y. And vy is equal to cos hx cos y. Therefore, first Cauchy Riemann equation is proved. The second Cauchy Riemann equation, uy is equal to minus vx. here uy is equal to minus sin hx sin y, and minus vx is equal to minus sin hx sin y. Therefore, both the Cauchy Riemann equations are proved. Therefore, both the Cauchy Riemann equations are proved. This is the result. Next, we have to find out its derivative. For find out the derivative, we use the formula f dash z is equal to ux plus ivx. We use the formula ux plus ivx. Here ux is equal to cos hx cos y, cos hx plus cos y. Vx is equal to sin hx sin y. Then cos hx can be taken as cos ix, then cos y plus I into sin hx. I into sin hx can be taken as sin ix, then sin y. Then cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Apply the trigonometric formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, that is equal cos a minus b. Therefore cos ix minus y. Then cos into I taken outside x plus iy. When we take I outside, cos I into x plus iy, that is equal to cos iz. Cos iz is equal to cos iz is equal to cos hz. Therefore, f of z is equal to sin hz. Then f dash z is equal to cos hz. This is the result. Therefore, we proved that this f of z equal to sin hz is analytic. And also we find the derivative f dash is equal to cos hz by using the formula ux plus ivx. Here ux equal to cos hx cos y, vx equal to sin hx and sin y. Cos hx can be taken as cos ix cos y plus I sin hx can be taken as sin ix into sin y. Therefore, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos a minus b cos ix minus y. Here I taken outside cos I into then bracket x plus iy. I into I square, that is a minus 1. Therefore, cos I into x plus iy. X plus iy is equal to z cos iz. Cos iz is equal to cos hz. This is the result for the function f of z equal to sin hz is an